Is it dark in here or is it just me? So excuse the hair, but I didn't know what to do with my hair and I wanted to try something new, so space buns it is. Welcome back. Today, you guessed right, it's Boxycharm Unboxing Day. And this is like my favorite day of the month. For those of you who are new and don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription. You pay $21 a month. Usually what's in the box ranges from anywhere from $100 to $200, and all you're paying is $21, which is a really good deal. Every month there is a theme, and this month is a different looking card. So this time it opens like this, and it tells you everything we got and their prices for if you were to buy them individually. We're gonna add them up and see how much it's worth at the end. So for now, let's get to seeing what's in our box. If you're ready, then just keep on watching. All right, so for the month of April, we have eye candy theme, super cute popsicles, and we have 5 products. And we're gonna start with this guy right here. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. And this guy retails for $47, which is pretty expensive. But I mean, if it does the work, then why not? This is an award-winning pore refining mask. It's extraction specialist, unclogging, tightening the look of pores, and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. So I went ahead and did my makeup just because usually I do like to go ahead and try everything on, but you can't really get a feel for a mask unless you use it a few times. So I did use it last night, and my results, I didn't really notice a big difference. Obviously because it was the first time I ever used it, but so you squeeze it out, and it is a little clear gel looking thing, and it has little micro beads, and when you mix it up, the mask gets a little bit tinted with blue. And this is an actual spot treatment, so it's not something that you put all over your face. It's just where you feel like you need to like cleanse your pores. And it says it is for oily to combination skin, and I don't want to dry out my skin since my skin is already so dry. I literally just apply it on the spot, and I wait 10 minutes, and then I wash it off, and that's about it. I'm gonna keep on using this for the next few days, and I'll let you know how that goes. Moving on, we have the browgal. So this guy is a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. This guy retails for $22. All right, so I'm actually opening this guy up right now, and I noticed that they gave me shade Light 03, and these eyebrows are not light. So that looks really light. I actually already put on a tiny bit of brow product. I mean, not anywhere near how much I usually put on, but let's see. What do y'all think? Alright, next up we have this little cute brush duo. This one is from SL Miss Glam. These retail for $38.50. And so far they look really cute. It's actually like shimmery. And I really love that it has these little jewels on them. They do feel a little flimsy. I don't know if they would blend well. But the cool thing is that this month we actually got a Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I love Colourpop, and I'm so excited. I actually do not own this one. This is the Element of Surprise. This one retails for $16. And let's see what shades we got. So we have some pops of color in here and shimmers as well as matte neutral shades. And let's get to trying these guys out. Anyways, right after I finished doing my eye makeup, I remembered I had a doctor's appointment, so I went over there. And then I had to have 2 labs done, and I nearly passed out because I do not do well with blood being drawn. Lily, can you not? But yeah, I really did enjoy this eyeshadow palette. Colourpop always has really good eyeshadows and they blend in very nice and easy. This is only, what did I say it was, $16, so that's pretty affordable. I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, and then last but not least, we have a MAC liptensity lipstick. I've actually never owned anything from MAC, believe it or not. I guess I finally get to try something. This is a lipstick in shade Burnt Violet. Each lipstick holds an intense amount of pigment, resulting in the extreme color intensity. This luxurious gelled base melts on contact, providing fully saturated color with satin finish in one stroke. And this is probably not gonna match my eye look at all. No, it's not. Pigmented. This is very pigmented, but I did struggle getting it like in the inside of my lip. You know what I mean? Like in the inside area, like sometimes with lipsticks, like it'll, since it gets wet in that area, like it just refuses to take any lipstick, and that's what I felt. This color is definitely very vampy and very fall. I don't see myself using this anytime soon. This is the fall color. I'm not gonna use this during spring and summer, but it does feel very creamy and I'm not sure how long it'll last, and it smells good. That was everything I had in my box for this month. So far my favorite things would be the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, what? And the Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleanser. Obviously, I don't know yet how well this works. For the cost, I'm hoping it will work very well. So those were my favorites. For the lipstick, I just wish I would have gotten a different color. Brushes were a bit flimsy. I just wish they would have been a little bit more sturdy so I can have an easier time blending. And then the brow gel, they didn't give me my brow color, so it was kind of hard to tell if I loved it.
Can I get a dark brown one, please?
But overall, the total came out to $144.50. That is amazing compared to how much we pay every month. If you have a Boxycharm subscription, let me know what you got. What was your favorite thing? What stuff did you dislike? That was all I had for you guys today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. My brows are like barely there, and I look extra vampy.